Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create lookup relationship and lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning, where I created child object name is student and also have added a lookup filter based on country in Salesforce Lightning. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create master detail relationship in Salesforce Lightning. Follow these steps to create master detail relationship in Salesforce Lightning. First, go to setup page of Salesforce. Then select object manager. Here I am creating a new child object name is course. Then we will be creating master relationship field on course object where parent object will be TakeW3 Web and child object will be course. So friends, before jump to the my Salesforce credential or let me explain about the master detail relationship in Salesforce. So friends, sometimes we are working on the child object and need to fetch the data from parent object, or sometimes we need to insert or update the record from child object to parent object. In this case, we need to create lookup relationship or master detail relationship. Master detail relationships always created on the child object. In master detail relationships, the master field are always required. If parent record deleted, then child record will be automatically deleted from database. So friends, let me jump to my Salesforce credential or where we will be create live demo example how to create master data relationship in Salesforce Lightning, and where we will be check if master detail record has deleted, then child record will be automatically deleted associated with the master record. So let me see live demo example in this lesson. This is my Salesforce credential or so first let me go to the setup. On the gear, I can click on the setup. Then go to the object manager. Here I am creating a new custom object. The name of the custom object is course. Copy the name. Go to the Salesforce. This is a button to create a new custom object. Create. Select custom object. Write the name of the label of the custom object. So I am creating a course custom object. This is the name of the plural of the object. Write the S. This is the name of the object name. Then save. In this object, I am creating two another one field. Go to the field and relationship. Here is a course name is already available by default by the Salesforce. Now I am creating another one custom field. Click on the new to create a new custom field. I am creating course fee. So this is a currency type field. So here I am selecting currency because fees is a currency type. So go to the next. Write the name of the field. So this is a label of the field. So here I am writing the fee. This is a field name. And next, visual for all the profile. And next, then save a new. Now I am creating a master detail relationship. So here you can see there is a two option: lookup relationship and master detail relationship. So in the previous lesson, I created lookup relationship. In this lesson, I will create a master detail relationship. So here I am selecting, as you can see on the description, the relationship field is required on all detail record. The ownership and sharing of the detail record are determined by the master record. When a user deleted the master record, all detailed records are deleted. You can create roll-up summary fields on the master record and summarize the detailed record. So here I am creating a master data relationship. So select master data relationship and select next. Here asking related to select related to object. So related to object will be parent object. So my parent object name is TakeW3 Wave. So I am selecting TakeW3 Wave. This is my parent object. Then go to next. Then field label and field name will be automatically populated. Leave as it is and go to next. Then next. Then next and save. So here I created two fields. First field is a fee, that is a currency type, and second field I created that is a master data relationship. Take W3 Wave. So in the bracket you can see take W3 Wave. So in the bracket it represent as a master detail. So course it is a child object and in the bracket take W3 Wave where I type to the object. So this inside the inside the bracket it represent as a master data relationship. Now go to the home and I am creating type for this newly created object. So here find the type, select type. This is a custom object type. So let me click on the new button, object name and type style. So first select object name. So my object name is course and type style. Select any of the type style. So suppose I am selecting anyone, select token type style and go to next and next and save. So I created tab. Now go to the app and refresh the page. Here you can see course object tab has been displayed and click on the your object tab. This is recently view. Click on down arrow, select all. So in this object there are no record and course name are visible. I am displaying all of the fields. So go to the gear icon. Here is the option select field to display. Select here and here this is a newly created field fee. Select and right arrow and I have also created new lookup field take W3 Wave. Select and right arrow. Then save. So in the all you will be get all of the fields. Now I am creating one record on this object. So click on the new button to create new record. Course name. Suppose I am writing the name of the course Salesforce. Fee and write the name, write the fee. The fee amount is supported. I am writing 10,000 and this is a lookup. So here you can see this is a asterisk star available. That means master to detail relationship always required on the child object. So if you save this record, this does not allow because it is always required because I created a master detail relationship. In the child object, master detail relationships are always required. So select any of the record from master detail. So here I am selecting Salesforce and save. I created one record for the course object. I am clicking on the object. It is a recently view. If you go to the view all, it will display all of the fields. So name of the course Salesforce, fee 10,000 and this is a master detail relationship. So master detail and lookup relationship display is always as a link so that we can refer to that particular object. If you click on this link, it will redirect to the master data relationship. So this course associated with this record of the master detail. If you go back, then you will be reach on the course object. Now I am creating another one record. Try the name of the course. I am writing the name of the course Java fee 20,000 and this is a lookup relationship. So this is a master data relationship. So this is a record of the TW3 web Java. So here I am selecting Java. So this record will be associated with this record of the master detail. Then save. Now I am creating another one record. PHP fee 15,000 and then select the master detail record. So I am selecting PHP and save. So friends, same process you can create multiple record. If you want to display all of the fields, go to the all. Here here you will be get all of the fields and records. So I created 3 records for the course Java, PHP and Salesforce. All of the 3 record associated with a different record of the TW3 web. TW3 web, it is a parent object and course is a child object. So child object always refer to the parent object. So if you click on the parent object, it will redirect to the parent. Now, as per the Salesforce, in the master data relationships, if master record has deleted, then child record will be automatically deleted. So let's delete one record of the parent. Let me see child record has deleted or not. So this record Salesforce, it is associated with the Salesforce record of the master detail. So let me go to the master detail of object. Click here, it will redirect to the master detail. So here you can see take W3 web, it is a one record open. As you can open directly from here, click on the tab and open any of the record, go to the related list. So here you can see course object, there one record, Salesforce record of the course associated with this record. So now go to the detail page and here is the option to delete the record. Asking, are you sure you want to delete this take W3 web? Yes. So I deleted one record from master object. Now let me go to the course and here you can see go to the all and here you can see Salesforce record has been automatically deleted. So Salesforce record associated with the TW3 web from take Salesforce record. So you can see there are no Salesforce record available. So I deleted Salesforce record. So associated with the Salesforce record of the course automatically deleted. Now go to the all. Let me delete another one record. PHP. So PHP associated with the PHP TW3 web. So let me go to the TW3 web. Open PHP and related list. You can check PHP course associated with this record. Go to the detail page and here delete option. Are you sure you want to delete this TW3 web? I want to delete this record. Yes, so I deleted this record. I deleted PHP record from TW3 web. So here we can check the all and here is a note PHP record available. Go to the course. Before I created PHP record, go to the all PHP record has been deleted automatically whenever I deleted the parent object of record. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn if parent record has deleted, then associated the child record will be automatically deleted. It is a rule of the Salesforce. We create master data relationship in the Salesforce whenever we need to fill the data required. In the lookup relationship, the lookup field value does not required. And if lookup field deleted, then child record does not delete it. But in the master data relationship, if you deleting parent record, then associated of the child record will be automatically deleted. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal or if you getting anything of issue to create master data relationship in Salesforce Lightning, please write in comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply go on YouTube. In the search box, write Tech W3 Wave. Then click on Tech W3 Wave. Go to the videos. Here you will be get so many video related of the Salesforce scenarios. Here you will be find Lightning Aura component, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, Visual Force page, and many more that you working on the project in Office. Here I created step by step live demo scenario from basic to advanced level in Salesforce. So friends, support my channel, subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much.